everlasting Savior, the man from Galilee. Your sovereignty's forever, you're Lord in all the earth. The everlasting, the man from Galilee. Your sovereignty's forever, you're Lord in all the earth. The icon of love. There's no God like you. Name, oh Lord, eternal. Your lordship never ends. At the mention of your name, all knees shall bow down. At the mention of your mighty name, all tongues confess your Lord. King eternal, the only mediator. With your blood, you entered once into the most holy place, securing salvation for all mankind. Forever we have access to the throne of grace. King eternal, the only mediator. With your blood, you entered once into the most holy place, securing salvation for all of mankind. And forever, yes, we have access to the throne of grace. Oh Lord, forever and ever, we have access to the throne of grace. You're the fullness of power, for you are before time, ageless and endless. All the treasures of wisdom, knowledge are in you. You're full of grace, Savior of the world. At the mention of your name, all knees shall bow down. At the mention of your mighty name, all tongues confess your Lord. King eternal, the only mediator. With your blood, you entered once, securing salvation